Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a very quick and easy and healthy recipe made with purple yam and a chutney made with piri chilies. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. This is 1 kg of purple yam, which in Malayalam we call it as Kachil. This is in season right now, so I thought I'll just show you how you can easily make a dish with the purple yam. I'm slicing the yam. Purple yams are rich in powerful plant compounds and antioxidants, including anthocyanins, which gives them their vibrant hue. Purple yams are rich in vitamin C, which helps to keep your cells healthy, and it also boosts iron absorption. Always try to include seasonal root vegetables when they are available locally. These root vegetables like purple yams are rich in potassium, vitamin C and phytonutrients, all of which are important for maintaining good health. Once it is sliced, peel off the skin. So try to include seasonal root vegetables in your diet. I have washed and rinsed the purple yam a couple of times and then I have added into a bowl filled with water. To cook the yam, I am boiling some water and into that I am adding in some pink Himalayan salt. And once the water boils, reduce the flame to the lowest and add in the washed and rinsed yam pieces. This is 1 kg of purple yam. Again, put the flame on high and bring it to a boil. Once it boils, reduce the flame to the lowest and cover it with a lid and allow the purple yams to get cooked. While the purple yam is getting cooked, I am making a spicy chutney to go with the boiled purple yam. I am using piri chilli to make this chutney. Piri chilli is known as Kandari Molaga in Malayalam. Piri chillis are very spicy when compared to normal ordinary green chillis. So you need to use it as per your spice level. So I'm just discarding the stem. I'm using 25 piri chillis in this chutney. This is a handful of chillis. Traditionally, piri chilli is used to make this chutney, hence I'm using it. If you don't have this chilli, you can use ordinary green chillis as per your taste. So I'm going to wash and rinse this thoroughly. Add the washed and rinsed piri chillis into a stone grinder. I'm using small onions, also known as shallots or cherry uli in Malayalam, to make the chutney. I prefer to use the shallots more in my recipes as they are a rich source of iron and folate. However, if you don't have shallots, you can use 1 medium-sized onion chopped. I'm adding in 3 handfuls of shallots and I'm crushing the shallots and the chillies. With a spoon, mix this well. Add in pink Himalayan salt as needed. And just give this a mix. Into this, I am adding in a couple of tablespoons of wood pressed coconut oil. Do not heat the oil when you are adding it to the chutney. This is raw wood pressed coconut oil. The coconut oil helps in better assimilation of fat-soluble vitamins and also will help to balance the spiciness of the chutney. And give this a stir. This spicy chutney is a very traditional chutney from Kerala. You can enjoy this with hot steaming rice, boiled tapioca, dosha, idli, or with just about anything. Very easy to make and one of the best ways to include healthy fats in your diet. Transfer the chutney to a bowl. Okay, the purple yam is nicely cooked. So I'm going to drain the yam. I have strained the purple yam and now it is ready to serve with the chutney. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.